Buying USDT on ZenGo wallet is simple and convenient. ZenGo integrates with payment providers, allowing you to purchase USDT using your credit card, Apple Pay or bank transfer. Follow these steps. Open the ZenGo app. Launch the ZenGo wallet app on your mobile device and log in using your facial biometrics. Access the Buy feature. On the home screen or under the Assets tab, tap the Buy button to begin the purchase process. Select USDT. From the list of supported cryptocurrencies, choose USDT as the asset you want to purchase. Enter purchase amount. Input the amount of USDT you want to buy. You can specify the amount in your local currency or in USDT. Choose payment method. Select your preferred payment option, such as a credit or debit card, Apple Pay or bank transfer. Note that transaction fees may vary depending on the method. Complete the purchase. Review the transaction details, including fees and the USDT amount. Confirm the transaction and follow the payment instructions provided. Receive USDT. After the payment is processed, the USDT will be deposited into your ZenGo wallet.